Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and this is a new YouTube video for you guys. And I'm making a video on kinemaster, and you are using a real kinemaster, which means you are downloading it from a Play Store. And there is coming a watermark and it is disturbing you. So let's get started, guys. I will show you. You don't need to buy a premium for that. I will show you to download a KineMaster Pro free from one website. Please follow my instruction and please subscribe this channel. First of all, go to your browser. I am using a cellular data, mobile data. You can use Wi-Fi, whichever you want. Now go to your one website, anywhere you want, and you have to type digitbean.com, and I will give this link in the description below. Please check it out, guys. I have given this digitbean.com. You can type also, but I will give this in the description. After going in a digitbean, search for KineMaster Pro. I'll search you. No, you have to search KineMaster Pro mode and search it for that. Now you can see here is the KineMaster Pro fully unlocked mode APK. Click on it. It is redirecting, guys, but it is going in website. Now you can see here what is KineMaster mode. You can see the features, and there is no watermark in anything. Now guys, there are all the APK with KineMaster unlock chroma key and anything you can like. You can download it, and you can see many of you can see there's much more that you can unlock through this. Now I will download one for you, and I will show that I will download a KineMaster Diamond mode. Click on Diamond and okay, click on download, and we will see there. Yeah, there we go. We have downloaded 51.35 MB of KineMaster Diamond mode. Let's install it. I have already installed. Please click on install, and I have already installed this app, so I'm cancelling it and install that. After installing it, it look like this. KineMaster Lite, and this is the best video editing app. You can use a pro mode. You don't need to buy any premium for this. I have already shown you. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe my video.